Our DNA contains the program that runs our body. This ability to adapt is encoded in that DNA. Nature doesn't select. It's part of the design of every living thing.
In a sense, DNA is a blueprint. It contains the instructions to make 2 arms, 2 legs, 10 fingers, 10 toes, and so forth. But it does so much more than that. You have embedded in that code the tools, the toolkit, the toolbox that executes that plan, all rolled into one molecule. And in addition to that, so this is really a chemical language at the sub-microscopic level. Blueprint, toolbox, it also functions as an information processor. So if it takes that much intelligence to do each of these functions, each of these objects, each of these roles separately, how much more intelligence would it take to combine them into one? And so therefore, how much more intelligence must have been behind the origin of this first molecule?